Hi, my name is Caitlin, and I work with the hardware team that developed the LumaField Neptune, our X-ray CT scanner. We designed the Neptune scanner with accessibility and usability in mind. It's designed to be run in an office or workshop without needing a dedicated space. The machine is approximately 6 feet wide by 6 feet tall and is just under 3 feet deep, which is great because that means it can fit through a standard doorway to be installed in your existing space. The machine has leveling caster wheels to help move it into position during installation and then lock it into place to prevent it from moving around. It runs on a standard 120 volt, 15 amp outlet and has both Ethernet and Wi-Fi connectivity. LumaField takes X-ray safety very seriously, and we design our products to keep both operators and bystanders safe from X-ray radiation. Before operating the scanner, you'll need to complete a brief safety training program. This video does not replace your formal safety training. Neptune meets or exceeds the most stringent requirements set forth by the US Food and Drug Administration, as well as regulators in each state where scanners are installed. Working with the LumaField scanner is very safe. The machine uses extensive lead shielding around the main chamber to block stray X-rays, and has several hardware and software features to make sure that X-rays are only emitted when the door is closed and the machine is ready to operate. The door is armed with multiple redundant interlocks, and it must be fully closed and locked in order for the X-ray source to turn on. Unlocking and opening the door during operation will break the power and turn off the X-ray source immediately. The X-ray status is indicated by these lights here on the front of the machine in the corner. Green means that the X-rays are off, and red means that the X-rays are on. There's an emergency stop on the front of the cabinet here. Hitting the e-stop button will cut power to the X-ray source. There's also a lockout down here with a key that allows your company to manage access to the machine. One final note is that when the X-ray source is off, the machine and everything in it is entirely safe. So objects don't develop radioactivity by being scanned, so they're safe to handle immediately. We believe that CT scanning is the next tool that every engineer should have access to. We're excited to see what you scan.